Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your daily update for Bitcoin. We have a lot of things to talk about. I will show you what is my trade for the moment, what I am doing for the moment. I have a nice buy position, a stop loss position. I will show you this one in my video. And yes, we need to talk about the big crypto scam for YouTubers. Let's check, let's go. A lot of things to talk about. Guys, we are starting now. So let's start with CoinMarketCap. Yes, we have 17,085 crypto coins. Amazing. But the bad news are every coin is in the dark red. You can see it. Bitcoin is going down really hard. 24 hours, a minus about 6.4%. And the most coins here are going down really hard, guys. That's not nice. Bitcoin in 7 days, a minus about 21%. But Ethereum is going down 32% in the week. What's going on with the coin market, crypto market is it's really bad, really amazing bad, guys. You can see it. Ethereum is now on a price about $2,218 US. It was here on 4,000. It halved here. It's really bad. The most coins are going down. The Binance coin is going down. ADA Cardano is also going down really hard, 36% in the minus. And XRP, Solana, Terra Luna, the Dogecoin, Polkadot. Yes, we have a really big crash for the moment here in the crypto market. Everything is dark red. What's good for Bitcoin? The Bitcoin dominance is growing. We can see 41.8%. That means Bitcoin is not falling down so fast as the most altcoins, but it does not mean that the price is going up here for Bitcoin. It does only mean, yes, we see a nice plus for the dominance. Guys, here is here is my live stream. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week, and you can see here my big target to the downside for this shoulder head shoulder pattern. Really bad. Let's talk about this later. And here's Crypto Trading Informant, my second channel. And you can see 9 of the biggest crypto coins, and you can see all coins here have now a sell signal. That's really bad. I know it, guys. We have here a quick overview. All coins are going down. Now we are going deeper a little bit into this one. This is the crypto market, the crypto cap dominance, and you can see, yes, this is the daily. We had a golden cross, and after this a death cross, but now for the moment we have a sideways going, a parallel channel, and we broke out to the upside. And the next big target is, let me show you the red line here for the dominance, and this is a 43. These are 43%. This is the next big thing, and I think after this we will see what's going on with the crypto dominance for Bitcoin. So let's talk about this really fast here. Top crypto YouTubers fall prey to crypto scam. A lot of big crypto influencers had a big scam on their channel. Not me. I'm not a big influencer. I'm a little one. I have no problems with hacking. But here we saw unauthorized videos. They were posted, and on the hacked accounts you saw their Bitcoin wallet, and if you would like to send some money to this wallet, it is a scam wallet. It is not this wallet from the YouTuber. So guys, attention, if you are sending some money to a wallet or something like this, always be sure that you send it to the right address. Ask back again if this is your right address, and you can see here's a lot of scam for the moment on the internet, on YouTube, and so on, guys. Attention. Also with WhatsApp numbers, where you can send some text to the WhatsApp numbers. They are also really big hacks and big scams, guys. Attention what you are doing out there with your coins, with crypto. It's really dangerous. Always send money. If you want to send some money to someone, you know the address, or you ask this person for the address once again. Guys, here is Coin360, and you can see here we have really a lot of coins here in the dark red. You can see Solana is going down 18% in 24 hours, guys. That's really bad. Near is going down hard. Algo is going down hard. Phantom is really going down. Mana, yes, a lot of altcoins are going down really hard for the moment. And if we are watching this one, the Bitcoin temperature is really cold, guys. It's really so cold. You can see it. We are going down. Let's refresh it, and we are here on 0.82 degrees. Yes, we're going down. And you know it, guys. It's the best time here to buy in if we have a minus about 1.7 degree. For the moment, yes, it's really cold in the market. And this is one of the big things why I'm watching for a next entry. Guys, I will show you my next trade, what I'm making now. This is, first of all, yes, a really cold Bitcoin price. You know it now. Let's go a little bit deeper. Before we will check the analysis, before we will check my actual trade, let's watch the Fear and Greed Index. What's going on with the Fear and Greed Index? And yes, it's really, really, really low. Let me show you. This is not the right thing. Give me a second. No, that's not the right thing. That's TradingView. I need here, sorry guys, I need here the Fear and Greed Index. There it is. What's going on, Biti? Here it is. I can see it here on the downside. Fear and Greed, Crypto Index. This is this one, what I would mean. Guys, let's watch it. Yes, extreme fear in the market. 13 points. Yesterday we saw 11 points. Guys, remember, we are becoming an update here every 24 hours one time. So this is not the not the freshest thing, but for the moment you can see we have on the daily 13 points greed, extreme greed in the market. So where are the positive things? Where are the positive candlestick patterns? What's going on the weekly? No pattern here. What's going on in the day? No pattern. What's going on the 5 hour? No positive candlestick pattern also on the 1 hour. This is frightening me a little bit, guys. That's why I'm not jumping with really, really big money for the moment into the market, but I like to make a little trade, and now I will tell you where is my trading position. So let's go in here. This is TradingView, this is the analysis, and now let's check what's going on here. First of all, yes, we can see a big downtrend, a price about 33,300 for the moment. We are going down really, really hard. But guys, if we're going down really hard, it's maybe not the best time to make a buy position. Let me show you. We saw here a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott wave to the upside and a ABC correction to the downside. Big question is now, and yes, that's the biggest question for the moment, where is the C? Where is the target for C? Is it on 30,000? Is it on 15,000? Is it on 10,000? Is it maybe on 33,000 now? That's the big thing, and that's one reason why I try to catch here the bottom. So guys, this is the big picture. We lost our support line to the downside. Yes, it's okay. The green one is not so important for the moment. Let me show you. In my opinion, we have here a really nice parallel channel to the upside. That's a green one. It's for the moment a red one. Let me change this one here into a green one. Yes, this one is not so perfect. This is now perfect to the downside. I have to draw it here really perfect for you. Yes, of course. And now you can see why I think we have here a bottom. So it's a green one now, guys. Let me zoom in a little bit on the daily time frame. I think, guys, we saw here maybe a bottom to the downside because it's the downtrend line of the parallel channel here on this point. And that's one of the reasons why I made a long position here. I will show you this one a little bit better in the 50-minute time frame, but you can see now what I mean. We have a nice parallel channel to the upside. We have here the bottom line, and I think, guys, that's one point. It's not maybe the big bottom, not maybe our end bottom, but I think we will see from here a nice bounce to the upside. That's why I'm making here a long position with a little stop loss to the downside. So I made a long position here on 33,000. I made a short stop loss under 33,000. I made a little short one, 32,990. And so if we will go down here really more, I will go out of the trade with the stop loss. It's not a big thing. It's not expensive if I'm making this one. So guys, that's the 50-minute time frame, and you can see it here better. We saw a spike down under this channel. We saw a spike under 33,000. I made a long position here on 33,000. Now I'm hoping for a next leg to the upside. This is my long position, 33,000, stop loss under 32,990. Now let's check what's going on. If we can grow from here, something like maybe a W pattern, it's not the baddest thing for the moment, but maybe, no, okay, forget it. It's not really beautiful here. But if we can see a nice pump from here to the upside, I'm in the trade now. If we will go down under 33,000, I'm out. I'm losing not so much money. Remember, this is a little downtrend on the 50-minute time frame. It's a red one. Yes, that it is. And if we can grow to the upside, what do we have here? First of all, the middle line is the next big resistance, and so on, and so on, and so on. So it's not a dangerous trade, guys, because we have a stop loss position here. and it's a little stop loss position. If we can make this one here a parallel channel to the downside, that's the bigger one what we are here fighting for. You can see maybe we will go down again to this blue line. The blue line is the middle line of this parallel channel, and if it will go down, no problem, stop loss, out of the trade, and let's go in again. Let's try to make a next long position here. I'm hunting for the moment the bottom, the little bottom, not the big one maybe, but if it is the big one, I'm in. So let's watch the RSI. That makes me a little bit positive on the 50-minute time frame, because we saw here a nice little breakout over this RSI. Maybe we can use it for a little jump to the upside. You can see it here. This line, we saw a breakout, maybe retesting, and after this, a next jump to the upside. And if we are watching the MACD on the 50-minute time frame, I'm also a little bullish. Why? Because we saw a cross here. For this 50-minute time frame, we saw a cross here. The blue line is over the brown line, over the brown, yellow, brown line, orange line. And we are buying the first green candle here, guys. That's making me a little bit positive for a try. I need a little try. I need a little trade. I waited a long time for a trade, so this is the next try. So let's watch what's going on with the EMA ribbon band. On the 50-minute time frame, it is a problem. Yes, it is. It is here as a resistance. You can see first line is here on 33,900, and you can see EMA 200 is here on 35,500. And you can see also the upper trend line here on this point, maybe 35,100. So yes, I know, guys, a lot of resistance also in the 50-minute time frame over us. No support, no big support to the downside, but my big support, I told you, is the parallel channel, the end line of the parallel channel. So the next thing is, guys, yes, I told you if we will go down more and more, 32,990, I will go out with a stop loss. And that's a really important point, because we saw this lowest point here, 32,980. Maybe I'm going down with 32,970 and set a new stop loss position, because it's important not to make a new lower low now for the moment. That's one of the big things I would like to show you if you are trading this in a 50-minute time frame. You know the big targets. I told you my shoulder, head, shoulder, and so on, and you know a little trading try on the 50-minute time frame. Remember, guys, yes, we have a really big downtrend here. Starting from this point, it was November 2021. We are going down really hard, and that's one of the next big things I'm watching, because yes, we have a parallel channel to the downside, but you can see we have maybe here the next support to the downside. That's the blue line here. That's this one, and if you're going down a little bit more, we may hit this line. That will also mean, attention, guys, we may lose my nice parallel channel to the upside on the daily time frame. So 32,600 is also a next big support, maybe the next try for a long position. Yes, for the moment, I'm a little bit hunting the bottom. That's funny, guys. That's funny, guys. If you can see a nice pump to the upside, it's really funny, because you can make nice money here. And if you're setting a stop loss under this, you are not losing too much money, guys. So, okay, that's this big thing in my opinion now for this stuff here. It's today is 13 minutes. Okay, let me show you one thing more before we end the video. Let me check the daily time frame. Let's remove ribbon band. Let's remove this all here. And let me show you. You know it, guys. Shoulder, head, shoulder, trend line, broke down to the downside, target to the downside. You know it, guys. 15,000 technical target. Keep this in your mind. If you are trading, always use stop losses. This one here maybe. Yes, I know here's 30,000, big support zone. You know it, guys. I showed you this a lot of times here on my videos. And the big thing what we are watching for the moment now, this is the Fibonacci from the lowest point here, 4,000 to the upside, 70,000. And you know now the biggest targets to the upside and to the downside. Let me show you this last but not least before we end. To the downside, we have big supports now. Here, really low, 20. Here we are, 28,800, and to the upside, if we can go up again, 36,600. So I will set my stop losses here to the upside. I will set my stop loss to the downside a little bit lower, as 32,970 maybe. And I hope for a next leg to the upside. That's my position. If it will go down, yes, I be prepared. I'm going out of the trade. So 50-minute time frame. I showed you this one. Let's remove all. This is for the moment the actual thing what I'm watching for. We need higher highs. That's important. We need a high over 33,780 maybe. The next one 34,200. And here this is a big stuff also to watch, 35,500. if we can go on here with this trade. If not, go out, and yes, that's it. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and you know now everything you need to know in my opinion. Have a nice time. Greetings. I hope we see us tomorrow or in my live stream or on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and so on. Bye-bye.
System activated.